Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. We are picking few cards. So, these are for your general energies, Capricorn. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy, so that reading may clear your doubts or may answer some questions you have in your circumstances, Capricorn. So you can watch that reading. And Capricorn, I request you to watch this reading till the end, because at some point of this reading, you will get the clarity you are expecting to see today. So let's start here with these cards. So it's Magician, Two of Moons, and Hermit. So Capricorn, in your situation, in this relationship, you are very cheerful today, happy, confident, feeling inspired to be with this person. You love them and you're wishing good things for this love. Circumstances are good, and you are a very clever person. And you are trying to influence the changes you wish to see in your life, and you are confident about yourself, certain about something, because you are doing things the right way today, Capricorn. So in this love, you are confident that this person will reciprocate your love, because you love them deeply and you love them truly. So it may be your energy or your person's energy. That may be the reason for this level of commitment. That love, harmony, closeness you have, attraction, a deep partnership you feel in this connection. So circumstances are good, and whatever troubles you see today in your life, maybe there may be some arguments, there are few difficulties, but still circumstances are definitely changing. You are happy for this situation today, and you love each other. You have a deep bond, something tying you both together. And in this relationship, you are thinking about something important. It may be a very important choice you are making today. And you are a very experienced person, knowledgeable one. So you want to make the right choice for yourself. So you love them and you have a beautiful understanding, but still you are thinking about the next step and what will be the right choice, the right decision today, Capricorn. So we will see what is the card. It's Six of Suns in reverse. So with this card, maybe in your situation in this relationship, there are few things that may take a little time. Maybe if you are thinking of marriage or a proposal, circumstances will delay certain things, or maybe you will take time. That is the reason for this card here, because you are someone who wants to make the right choices. So the right way of dealing with things, maybe you don't want to rush in to commit and then feel sorry. So you are someone against that. So that is the reason you are thinking. So you are thinking of marriage or commitment. So at the right time, everything is coming for you, Capricorn. So, in your work circumstances, again, we will see what is the card. It is Six of Spears in reverse. So, you will have a lot of opportunities coming your way. You are happy for these opportunities, but you must be very careful because there are people who are very ambitious and greedy, and you have a lot of competition. So you must be careful, you must think, evaluate your situation, what will work for you and what will be the right thing for you. Then go for that choice. That way you will avoid some difficulties today, Capricorn. So that is the reading with these cards for you all. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card. So for those who chose this first card, we will see what it is. Tambulina, expectations. So in your circumstances today, you may feel that people are not treating you the right way. People do not value you or respect you for what you are. There are a lot of challenges you are facing right now. But you need to understand that if you do not know the worth of something, we will not know anything, the value of something, we will not know anything of that object. So, the same way, people do not know your value. That is the reason they are not treating you the right way. So, you are going to find the people who will respect you and who will understand you as you are. And people, your soul family, will find you. And you do not have to accept relationships where you feel that you do not love them and they do not love you. And maybe today you may have something confusing you, lack of clarity may be there. You may feel ridiculed or rejected for being different, but you need to understand that at the right time you will find what you are, your true name, your true soul family. And this is the time for you to make your own friendship, make your own, find your own relationship. It is time for you to take care of yourself, to choose for yourself, and maybe in all these troubles and challenges, do not lose hope and do not lose your warm spirit, that warm heart you have, because you are a very loving and a very kind person. You should never forget that. And there is no one like you. You are so unique, and you will find the people who are unique like you, who are similar like you. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So we will see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, this is a crystal spirit card. So this crystal spirit card is here to tell us that angels are there guiding us today, guiding us in our life, nudging us forward, or whispering to us, sending us love and helping us in any specific challenges we are facing in this relationship. So these angels are our friend, the perfect teacher, and the ones who heal us, and the ones who heal us by connecting us to people who are like us. So sometimes you may feel that strangers may tell you some words and it may have a very deep impact on you. You need to understand that it is the angel's message for you, guidance from the angels coming through some strangers at some time. So you need to pay attention to those help or the unexpected help that is coming to you. And today, if you reach out to these angels, if you just pray to them in a very, what to say, pray to them in a very open way, telling them what you need in your heart of hearts. If it is a very simple prayer, a heartfelt cry for help, that is going to give you the answers you need today, guys. And the angels and guides who are here looking for you, looking out for you, will come out, reach out for your prayer, and will help you today. So, a very beautiful guidance here, guys. And this crystal is about opening the chakras in our body to welcome the blessings and abundance that is coming, that is all around us, and to clear all the energetic attachments we may have. So, this is the stone for us to feel that connection towards that higher power, angels or God, whatever we may call it. So, that is the energy here with this card for you all. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.